Good morning, students. Welcome to my class again. This is the fifth video part of chapter number 5, that is arithmetic progression. In part 4, we have already completed exercise 5.2. Now we are going to start with the solution of exercise number 5.3. In this exercise, we are going to use the formula for the summation of n term, and that is given by Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1d, where n is number of term, a means first term, and d is common difference. One more formula is given in your textbook, that is Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus l, where n is number of term, a is first term, and l is nothing but it is the nth term of the given AP. Okay, students, now start with the solution of 5.3. Okay, students, moving to the solution of exercise 5.3. Question number 1. In the first question, you have to find the sum of the following APs. In first one, you have given AP 2, 7, 12, comma dash dash dash, and you have to find sum of 10 terms. Okay, students, as we know the formula of Sn, that is given by Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. We are going to use this formula in this exercise. In each question we are going to use this formula, that is n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, in first one, here the value of n is given as 10. That means you have to find sum of 10 terms, and if we compare this AP, then we will find the value of a is given a by 2, the value of d is given by 7 minus 2 is 5. Substitute all the values in the formula Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1d, then you are able to find S10. Let's see the solution of the first one. Okay, here the value of d is 5, the value of a is 2, and the value of n is 10. Therefore, Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. After substituting the value, you will get Sn as 245. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now question number 2 and 3 you can solve by yourself. We are moving to the question number 4 of the first one. In this one, the first term is 1 by 15, and the common difference will be what? 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. First of all, you have to simplify this one and find the common difference, and the value of n is given as 11. Okay, students, substitute the value here. In fourth one, the first term is given by a, that is 1 by 15, and the common difference is this one, 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. The LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. 12 5 is 60 and 5 4 is 60. Therefore, the common difference is 1 by 60, and the value of n is given as 11. Now substitute the value in the given formula. Sn is given by 11 by 2. A is here 2 by 15. 2a, sorry, here it is 2a. Therefore, 2a is 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1. That is n minus 1, 11 minus 1, 10 into 1 by 60. And if you solve this one, you will get S11 as 33 by 20. Hope this is clear to everyone. Now moving to the question number 2. Here also you have to find Sn, but here first of all you have to find the value of n. In first question, if you observe the question, the AP is given where the first term is 7, and common difference will be equals to second term minus first term. That means 10.5 minus 7. So you can write the common difference is to 3.5. Right? That means 10.5 minus 7 is 3.5. Okay, but in this one we are not having the value of n, but we have given the last term, so that we are going to use the formula of an, and first of all we have to find the value of n, then we are going to find the value of Sn. Okay, if you observe the solution here, the common difference is given by d equals to second term minus first term, that is 21 by 2 minus 7, that is 3.5, that is clear, and the last term is given 34. Therefore we have a formula for nth term, that is given by an equals to a plus n minus 1d. If you substitute the values here, first term is 7 here, n is not given, n minus 1, and the common difference is 3.4, but the last term is given, an is given 84, and if you simplify this one, you will get the value of n as 23. That means you have to find sum of 23 terms. That means you have to find S23. Now S23 equals to, we have a formula here, we have one more formula for Sn, that is given by Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus l. If you have given the last term and first term, then you can use this formula to find Sn. Therefore S23 equals to 23 upon 2, and the first term is 7 and the last term is 84, and if you simplify this one, you will get 1046.5. Similarly, you can solve the question number 2nd and 3rd by yourself. Solve this question in homework. Now we are moving to the question number 3. Okay, question number 3. In question number 3, there are total 10 questions. We are going to solve only 5 questions, and 5 questions are in homework. Okay, question number 3, first one, the value of a is given, the value of d is given, the value of an is given. So first of all you have to find the value of n, and then we have to find Sn. Let's see the solution. In first case, the value of a is given. Okay, we are going to use the formula of an to find n first. सबसे पहले हम an का फॉर्मूला यूज़ करके Sn फाइंड करेंगे. जैसे कि हमको पता है कि an इक्वल्स टू a plus n minus 1d. So the value of an is given 50. 50 equals to the value of a is 5 plus n minus 1 d. n minus 1 as it is, d is 3. And if you simplify, you will get the value of n as 16. अब n की वैल्यू आ गई. अब हमको Sn फाइंड करना है. Sn का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो. Sn इक्वल्स टू क्या होता है, यह यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म भी दिया है, लास्ट टर्म भी दिया है, तो द फॉर्मूला कैन बी यूज n by 2 इन द ब्रैकेट a plus l. ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं हम. Substitute the value of n is here 16, 16 by 2 in the bracket. The value of a is given how much, 5, and the value of an is 50. Simplify this one. 50 plus 5, 55. 55 into 8. 55 into 8, then you will get the final answer. 55 into 8, and that is equals to 440. Okay, now moving to the question number 2. Here the first term is given, 13 term is given. You have, then you have to find d and S13. First of all, we have to find d. Here A13 is given. A13 means what? A13 means a plus 12d, right? A13 means a plus 12d. Now A13, the value of A13 is 35, and the value of a is here given 7 plus 12d. If you solve this one, then you will get the value of d as 7 by 3, right? Then after finding the value of d, we have to find S13. Therefore S13 is nothing but it is 13 by 2 in the bracket a plus 12d, and here the value of a is 14, and 13 minus 1, 12d, d is here 7 by 3. Substitute the value, then you will get the value of S13 as 273. Hope this is clear to everyone. Now question number 3, you have given here A12 and the value of d is given. First of all, you have to find a, and then you have to find S12. A12 is nothing but it is a plus 11d. Okay, A12 is given 37, A is not given, and 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into, the common difference is given 3. Therefore 11 minus 3 is 33. Therefore the value of A is 37 minus 33, that is 4. Now we got the value of A. We have a value of A12 and we have to find S12. Therefore S12 is nothing but it is 1 by 2, but it is n by 2, that means 12 by 2 in the bracket A plus L. Here A is how much? 4. 4 plus A plus nth term L. L is here how much? 37. Therefore 37 plus 4, 41. 41 6 ja. 41 6 ja. 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 28. 6 4 ja 24, sorry. 6 4 ja 24. Therefore S12 is 246. Clear? Next, question number 4. In this one you have given A3 and you have given S10. You have to find D and A10. Now here we know the formula an equals to a plus n minus 1d for n term of arithmetic progression. The A3 is given. A3 is nothing but it is a plus 2d. A3 is nothing but it is a plus 2d. Therefore A3 is given 15. Therefore 15 equals to a plus 2d. Therefore A equals to 15 minus 2d. Now Sn is given by this formula. Therefore S10 is given. S10 can be written as 10 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus 9d. Now the value of A can be replaced as 15 minus 2d. Okay, so substitute this value and solve it further. Then you will get the value of d as minus. Then you will get the value of d as minus 1. If you solve this one, then you will get value of d as minus 1. Now again using this formula, an equals to a plus n minus 1d, a10 equals to a plus 9d, right? Now the value of a is from above we can write 15 minus 2d, and the value of d is minus 1. Substitute this value and you will get the value of a10 as 8. Hope this is clear to everyone. Now question number 5. You have given the value of d, you have given the value of S9, you have to find the value of A, and you have to find the value of A9. Okay, S9 can be written as 9 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus 8 into 5. Therefore S9 is given, that is 75 equals to 9 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus 40. If you cross multiply it, then you will get 150 equals to 9 to the 18. If you open this bracket, 9 to the 18a plus 9 for the 36. That means 150 equals to 18a plus 360. Therefore the value of A is given by minus 35 by 3. Now we have first term. Now we can apply this formula, an equals to a plus n minus 1d. Here a9 is given. Therefore a9 is nothing but it is a plus 8d. Therefore the value of A is minus 35 by 3. Minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1, 8. 8 5 is 40. And if you solve this one, you will get A9. Therefore the A9 is 85 by 3. Okay. Now next 5 questions are homework. That is question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are moving to the next question. That is question number 4. That is question number 4. Here it is given that how many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give sum of 636. मतलब इस क्वेश्चन में ये आपको ये बताना है कि 9725 ये जो AP दिया है ऐसे कितने टर्म होंगे कि उनको ऐड करने पे 636 आए। दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ n। आपको n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, जहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म 9 है, कॉमन डिफरेंस 17 माइनस 9 8 है, और Sn दिया हुआ है 636। तो हमारे पास फॉर्मूला Sn का है n/2 इन द ब्रैकेट 2a प्लस n माइनस 1d। सब्सटीट्यूट ऑल द वैल्यूज एंड सिंप्लीफाई इट, देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ n। तो Sn की जगह पे 636 रखेंगे, राइट। n तो दिया नहीं है, n/2, 2a मीन्स 2 इंटू 9, 9 टू 18 प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू 8। इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई दिस वन, you will get the quadratic equation. You will get the quadratic equation 4n square plus 5n minus 636। अब इसको हम यदि क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूले से सॉल्व करना चाहे तो वैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म से सॉल्व करना चाहे तो वैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। कैसे भी सॉल्व करो, n की 2 वैल्यू आएगी जिसमें से एक पॉसिबल होगा। तो इसको सॉल्व करते हैं। सपोज हम क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूले से, दैट इज गिवन बाई माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a, जो कि हमने चैप्टर नंबर 4 में पढ़ा है, फॉर्मूला मेथड। तो उसमें यदि हम वैल्यू रखें तो उसको कंपेयर करेंगे तो b की वैल्यू आएगी 5 और b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac। d की वैल्यू आएगी 5 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू 4 इंटू माइनस 636 अपॉन 8। इसको सॉल्व करने पे आपको n की वैल्यू 12 आएगी और n की वैल्यू माइनस 106 अपॉन 8, तो जो कि माइनस 106 अपॉन 8 है, डेट इज नॉट पॉसिबल क्योंकि वो फ्रैक्शन में है। देयरफॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज 12। तो ऐसे 12 टर्म होंगे जिसको ऐड करने पे हमको क्या मिलेगा, ऐड करने पे हमको 636 मिलेगा। क्लियर है? मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। द फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ AP इज 5, द लास्ट टर्म इज 45 एंड द सम इज 400। यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म 5 है, लास्ट टर्म 45 है और सम दिया है 400। तो फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स एंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस। तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे हमको फर्स्ट टर्म दिया है और लास्ट टर्म दिया है, तो हम Sn वाला वो सेकंड वाला फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं। Sn इज गिवन बाई व्हाट, Sn इज n/2 इन द ब्रैकेट a प्लस l। यदि इसमें हम वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो 400 इक्वल्स टू n/2 इंटू 5 प्लस 45। यहाँ से हमको n की वैल्यू 16 मिल जाएगी और हमको कॉमन डिफरेंस भी फाइंड करना है, राइट। तो कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करने के लिए हम यदि 2 टर्म फाइंड कर लें तो दोनों का डिफरेंस करके हम कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड कर सकते हैं। तो या तो फिर हम Sn वाले फॉर्मूले में, ये जो पहला वाला फॉर्मूला है Sn इक्वल्स टू n/2 इन द ब्रैकेट 2a प्लस n माइनस 1d, वहाँ पे यदि हम वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो यहाँ से हमको a मिल जाएगा। ये तो हमारे पास है ये, सॉरी, यहाँ से हमको d मिल जाएगा। इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो यहाँ से हमको d मिल जाएगा, तो d 8/3 आ गया। देयरफॉर द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 8/3। मतलब पहले वाले फॉर्मूला जो था, जो n/2 इन द ब्रैकेट 2a प्लस n माइनस 1d, उसमें यदि हम सारी वैल्यूज रखेंगे n की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के बाद, तो हमको d मिल जाएगा। चलो, इस एक्सरसाइज का आज के वीडियो का लास्ट सम है ये। इसके बाद के क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे। लेट्स सी दिस क्वेश्चन। द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट टर्म ऑफ AP आर 17 एंड 350। पहला टर्म 17 है और लास्ट टर्म 350 है। A और L की वैल्यू दी है एंड इफ द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 9 और D की वैल्यू दी है 9, हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर इन देयर सम। इसके पहले वाले सम में हमको फर्स्ट टर्म लास्ट टर्म दिया था, सॉरी लास्ट टर्म फर्स्ट टर्म दिया था और n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी थी। यहाँ पे भी हमको फर्स्ट टर्म लास्ट टर्म दिया है और कॉमन डिफरेंस दिया है और आपको जो है कितने टर्म है n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। तो यहाँ यूज द फॉर्मूला फॉर an इज गिवन बाय a प्लस n माइनस 1d। हियर द फर्स्ट लास्ट टर्म इज 350, देयरफॉर 350 इक्वल्स टू 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. If you solve this one, you will get the value of n as 38. इसमें से आपको n की वैल्यू मिल गई 38 और अब आपको S38 भी फाइंड करना है। Therefore S38 is nothing but it is n/2 in the bracket a plus l. So you can use this formula. You can use the first formula also or you can use this formula also. In the both case you will get the same value. So Sn equals to n/2 a plus l। ये फॉर्मूला भी आप यूज कर सकते हो क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको फर्स्ट टर्म भी दिया है और लास्ट टर्म भी दिया है और इनकी वैल्यू आपने फाइंड कर लिया. ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे तो भी यही आंसर आएगा. देखो ओके. इफ यू यूज द second formula, then also you'll get the same answer, and if you want to use this formula, then you can use this formula also. ओके, आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू ऑल.